Hey, what's up, Dani here, and welcome to my channel and another video. Today I'm back with another unboxing. It's ridiculous because right now everyone is having a comeback, so I think there will be one more because I ordered another album today, so there will be one more for the next time, hopefully. I don't know, but yes, so this is my most anticipated comeback for this year so far, and it has been amazing. So now I finally got the albums, so let's have a look. Of course, this comeback is from the one and only. In all honesty, from the three groups that are my favorites, as you know, because I always unbox from those three groups, Monsta X, Stray Kids, and Ateez. I have to say that Ateez currently is my favorite, like by far. So wow, okay, there's a lot of loose stuff in here. I obviously ordered this, and this has been the most anticipated. I have to see, there is like photo cards that are loose, so it's the same style as with Stray Kids. So I think it's like that company who sells those. I think they have these special photo cards because I got the similar ones with Stray Kids. All right, so of course this is Ateez. Of course, so we have the three versions. I love this style. It's my two favorite colors, and I was so hyped about the fact that they use black and purple. This has been everything. So this whole comeback has been everything. I'm not even lying. I think this is the best comeback. So, but I probably say this every comeback. So, anyway, so I got these stickers again because, as you know, I got them again from the Stray Kids one as well. So it's the same. It's just a company, and wow, we get these see-through cards again, the same as with Stray Kids. So now I have to find some background of black work too. I have this sketchbook that I bought yesterday. So all right, so we have Hongchun, obviously. We have Songwa. We have Yuno. Then we have, do we have all of them? Holy crap. Yusung. And San. And Mingi with his awesome hair. I'm living for this hair, just saying. I have to move. Okay. I didn't know I would get all of them because I only got 6 from Stray Kids. So, and then Wooyoung and Jongho. So we got all of them as these really cool cards. I love them. They're so cool. I'm just saying, like, they're so cool, these cards. But anyway, so this is from the company, I guess. So I got at least one photo card of each of them, which that's already the best. So anyway, let's go to the actual unboxing. So are there any versions? Versions A, D, and is that a D? I think so. We're just gonna start with the A to the C. All right, so that would be that one. I love this color scheme, I'm just saying. Look at this, it's so, is that a sleeve around it? Oh wait, there's stuff coming out. Oh wow, wow, it's so shiny. Look at this, it has this sleeve, and then it's the color, and it's so shiny. I love it. This is so cool. I'm like already here for this. So anyway, so since when is this a thing? Like every comeback right now, like everyone has their CDs as like individuals, not stuck to the photo book anymore. I think Stray Kids still doing it. So here we have the CD. Open in case of emergency. Yeah, it's a big emergency. This whole comeback has been an emergency. Oh, there's more stuff. Okay. It's like so hard to know where things are in these. Oh my god, this photo book is amazing. Look at this. I love this. I was so here for this anime style thing, this manga, manhwa, whatever. It's just so cool. Look at this. But I'm gonna do a flip through in a second, as always. So let's just check what we have. So we have, are these tattoos? I want to get this as an actual tattoo. I'm actually like thinking about getting an anchor and a compass as a tattoo. So this is so cool. These are actual tattoos. So I thought they were stickers, but nope. And then we have stickers. It feels like it's something that you could stick on the side of a book or something. So I'm curious what this is for. And then we have more stickers. I love this song. It's so funny. I love this song so much. It is such a good comeback. I'm like literally still feeling it. It's been like a week. Also, this is the Superstar card, as always. And then here, I guess, is all the stuff. So we got this little sleeve. This is a thing, like I realized, same with Stray Kids. Okay, so, and this is another tattoo. But what's this? Oh, no. Oh, it's one of the comics. I love this. So it's one of the comics. Look at this. It's Hong Jung. I love this. Like whoever drew this. I wonder if this person is actually some manhwa artist. Like such a cool style. So love it. And then we have, oh, that's interesting. It's like a stencil. That's really cool. And then we have 2 photo cards. So first we have San. Look at how cute he is. And then we have Wooyoung, of course. So we have Woosan in this and Hong Jung as the comic. And that's already the first album. So I'm just gonna go to the flip through. I love these. They're so cool. The stickers, the tattoos. They're very cool I'm gonna have to rethink, like they're very inspiring, these things. So anyway, so let's get to the flip through. Right, so that was that. I was just thinking while looking at these pictures, those comic strips, imagine we would get like an anime or like a manhwa or something with this. I would watch this so bad. Like it would be so cool. Like imagine this theme of this comeback as an anime. Yes, I would watch it. They should do this. I hope they do this. They really should do this. I want it now. Now that I'm thinking about it, there's no going back. I want it. Anyway, so let's go to the next one. So this is version D. That's cool. That's my initial. So let's have a look at this one. I just love this idea. It's like, so look at how shiny it is. And with this sleeve over it, it's so cool. I love it. So, anyway. Flip through in a second. So, and then we have the CD again. Then we have that card again. Then we have the stickers again. So I can use some in my journal. We have the tattoos again. So I can actually use some of them because I really want these. I want to like put them on that. I want to have my tattoo on my ankle. So I'm going to put them on there to see how it feels. That one's so cool. I really like this one. I think these are really cool. So anyway, I'm you know, focus. Then we have the stuff again. So now I know how it works. So the comic. We have Yosang. Awesome. These are so cool. I just love them so much. I wish I had all of them, but I know I only get 3, maybe 2, depending if I get the same one. But this one, I love it. It's so cool. And then we get another of the stencils. And then the first photo card is Jongho. I love this hair on him. I really do. And this one is... oh, look at how cute. San and Yosang. Adorable. I love it. This one is so cute. Okay. So this is what we got in this album. So time for flip through again. Okay, so that was this flip through. Because I see this for the first time too, I just look at things, and this is a story, isn't it? This is like intro. This is like an actual story they wrote in here. I have to read this like properly at some point because that's so cool. It's like someone wrote fan fiction. That is just really cool. All right, anyway, so that was this album. And last but not least, we have the last one. Again, same. I love it. I'm just so here for this. I love this. It's just so cool. I wish they would make like some anime out of it, because bro, I would watch this. I really would. Like, that would be so cool. But anyway, so we have the CD again, same thing. Then we have the tattoo again, the stickers. And so let's see the last two photo cards and the last comic for today. So let's have a look. We have Woo Young. I really want all of them. They're so cool. But yes, so I at least got 3 different ones, so that's a pro. So I got Woo Young, Yosung, and Hongjoong. So that's the comic. And then we have the stencil. Given the hair, it's either Woo Young or a Songwoo. But yes. Anyway, so there's a message here. Okay, but the first card is Yosung. And the last one for today is Songwoo. Wow, I actually got one Songwoo. Look at him. I hate him. Like, seriously, this comeback, I'm not even gonna talk about it, because nope. Absolutely not. Anyway, let's look at the last photo book, and then that's it for this video. Alright, so that was the last photo book. Like, seriously, how hot are they? Like, look at him. Like, that outfit and everything. The hair, I'm just so here for his whole, like, everything about him, this comeback. He just owns this, everything. And that hair is just amazing. And we don't talk about Son because look at him. I'm just like, I don't understand. And I just, these comics, I am in love. I mean, let's look at them. I'm like kind of sad now that I did not get a photo card because he's just been really doing it for me, this comeback, or for like the last month, really. So if it wasn't for Biker Songhwa, he would be my favorite. Also Cowboy Minky, like everything this comeback, Yosang, everything. Look at him. I need to stop because I need a break from this. Like it's been like a week or what. And I'm just like, it's like all there is right now. So yes, anyway, so these are the albums. These are the things I got. So let me see. Photo cards, comics. I like the different colors. Just now realized that there's different colors. Photo cards, comic, and the extras. So anyway, so look at this. I just love them. They're so cool. And then we have all these photo cards. And that's everything for this video. That's everything to unbox. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.